Hey, hello everyone. So I'm back after like skipping 2 days. Not skipping 2 days of recording, but I was like in a rest mode. So I didn't record and I didn't like study it. So for 2, 3 days, I was like resting. So for 2 days, I rested and I also like the previous 2 days, like Monday. No, sorry, not Monday, but it was like Sunday. Yeah, Sunday was recording day. So I missed only one day, I think. Yeah. So yeah, Sunday I missed the recording. And I took a break from like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So like I was burned out. I wasn't willing to study and all. So I just took a break and also I took a break from the sports also, the sports and I didn't play it and like anything. I was like just sleeping and reading. So I came to know that I'm like a maker in heart. When I don't move or don't do something, I feel like, bored and I don't feel like to do anything. It's just like a depression. Yeah, not depression, but it's like your motivation goes down. So it's a natural thing. So yes, today is 14th of April, yeah, and Tuesday. So this is going to be my, I think, sixth video. So yeah, let's get back to my journey and see what things like I did from Monday, last 1 2 days. So yeah, for the course, let's start with the course section. So yeah, in the last video, I told that I was like, I don't know what percent I had completed in the last video, but today, like, I am on the 81st percent completed and I'm in the module 5, like the process management section. So in that, I am like in the managing processes of the Linux and the Windows, how like you can use the GUI, the graphical user interface to access the what task and what processes are going in your like working in your computer. And so, and also I completed module 4 and it was like file system, NTFS file system for Windows. And what was for the Linux? I can't remember. It's like ext4, something like that. I can't remember. So you can search it. Or yeah. So I did the file system and module 3 was like packaging and the for software management, how to package your files and all. So yeah, I have been doing this all, and let's like show you the progress in the course in my Coursera window. So let's get back to the window. Yeah, so as you can see here, I'm in the 81% completed for the operating system and you becoming a power user. And as you can see, I'm showing you the Chinese one also that I am in the 66% I've done. And I will talk to you about the Chinese course in the later in the video only something. So now let's head back to our word and wait, let me show you some commands that I got. Yeah, I've shown you these commands earlier in the video also, but yeah, these all were like from the module 1, 2 and all. So yeah, from here we were like this, filtering the files windows, getting the children filter and .exe execution files. .exe is for execution files like system.exe and all that and all those. This is the redirect output, redirect symbol you can say, and this is the appending the outputs of the command. This pipeline is used for piping the commands and all those value. These are like the earlier videos, so these were in the earlier videos, yes. So listing the accounts, yes. So how you can get the local user, how many accounts you have in the computer, uh, and as you can see, for each like topic, I have made two things like the Windows and the Linux. So yeah, Windows uses this command and Linux uses this command. Check the files using etc password users and etc group permissions. Windows is iCackles and Linux ls commode for changing mode and permissions, and change owner for changing owner, software and storage section. Yeah, I will put a space here. In the package management, Linux like I have installed and all archives, Linux star and 7z, Windows compress archive for you. The Windows command is the Windows command. And the disk tools like Linux parted for parting the disk and making the pages, the like the RAM uses the hard disk if the RAM is out of storage. So that's why. I'm not going in the, not a technical video, so just a documentation. So I'm just listing like all those things. I'm just showing, helping in history and all. And please don't go on the, how much good the notes were. Actually, the notes were like messed up and, like broken. So for the recording, I pasted the note and like AI and told it to generate a clean sheet. So yeah, generated, and I did and I did some editing like adding space and all. So yeah, come on, let's now move to the word. And now, yeah, I've shown you all these. Now let's go to, yeah, Chinese for beginners. As I showed you that I have done 66, was it 66%? Wait, I have to, yeah, almost 66% I have completed, and I'm in the module 5. Like I will be starting module 5. Do you live in the big city? It's just like, yeah, it is name of the module. So what I actually learned in the previous modules are like, see, in the previous module, I was in the it's too expensive section. It is a section in the module 4 only. So what it just like it had like I or you just take the example like you were asking for the price of foods, and you're bargaining in the market. So you just like you say, "Excuse me, how much are the bananas?" How much are the bananas? So in Chinese, you would say like "Qing wen qian qiao duo shao qian." Okay, Xing wen is like excuse me, okay, and qian qiao. So qian qiao is banana, and duo shao qian, how much, like banana, how much money cost. So it is just like that. And the seller, let's say the seller is saying $4 or $5, like $4. And do you want some? So the seller will say like, 四 is for, 4块, ni yao ma. Like, do you want some? Ni yao ma, you want some? Ni yao ma, ni is you, ni is you. So now you will say like, sorry, it's too expensive, a little cheaper, okay? So you will say like, tu pu tu wu chi, tu pu chi. Yeah, it's like tu pu chi, tu pu chi. So tu pu chi is sorry, and you will say like it's too expensive. Tai kui la, tai la is too and kui is expensive. So tai kui la, and it's too expensive, and you will say a little cheaper, like pian yi in tiar, pian yi in tiar. Okay, pian yi in tiar, how ma? a little cheaper, okay? PNT Intiar how much? So the seller will say like, no, it's not cheap. It's like it's not too expensive. So the seller in Chinese he will say like, pu koi, pu is not okay. When you add something in a sentence like pu is like no in Chinese. So pu koi, okay, pu koi. No, no, it's not expensive. No, no, not expensive, not expensive. The seller is saying, and so you will say like how much are like you'll ask if how much are the oranges. The seller and in the Chinese you will ask like oranges is chengzi. Chengzi tuo shao qian. Like orange how much money? So like chengzi tuo shao qian, and the seller will say like $3. So you'll say san koi. You know san is three and koi is the you can say measuring amount for money. So san koi. Yeah. And you are like, okay, I want some oranges. So like how wo yao chengzi. How wo like I want oranges. Okay. How okay wo yao chengzi. Give me some oranges. I want oranges. So these are something that I learned in the you can say that in the Chinese in the like 1 2 days, not all the things. Yeah, but okay, now let's move to the next update, and that is a big update, you can say, and I'm very much excited to say that I have completed the Aspire Leadership Program, and I was enrolled in like in January. I think it was the first cohort of 2026, and I obtained 100 on 100, like 100% marks obtained. And actually, I used AI, but not like the ideas were mine, but I used AI, and it was like encouraged to use AI in your work. So I used it, but the ideas and the options were mine. Like I just use AI for organizing, not like depend AI for everything, like just copy and paste. Okay. And yeah, I've done 100%, like I've completed it. I will be showing the certificate of the completion I've got. So where's the certificate? Yeah, as you can see, Aspire awards the certificate to Muhammad Arham and was successfully completed all the modules of 2M Aspire Leadership Program, this program. So this was the certificate that I got from the Aspire Leadership Program, and I really want to thank the Aspire's leadership, the members and the program members and the moderators and all, because uh, like what I learned from the main thing that I learned from this program is you can say that leadership isn't what I used to think is that leadership is like being on the top. Leadership is like being on the authority, and leadership is a born quality. But this course taught me, this program, like I came after this program, I came to know that leadership is a skill set. You can say a skill to learn. It's not like born with something like people are born with the quality. And it is also not something that a leader is only you can become a leader only when you have a certain authority, when you have certain power, when or you are in certain like high power than others. It is not like that. Okay, so even a boss can become a leader, and even an employee can become a leader. So yeah, the main thing you can say is that leadership is a thing to learn. Yes, we all can learn it. So yeah, this was the thing that I loved the most. And it like uh, my expectation was like, okay, you can say like five, and it brought up to like eight, nine to 10. Okay, because I've done one, two more or more programs. You can like I'm also an alumni of McKinsey Forward program and all those. So I'm not telling, like, see. I expected that yes, the program will end and like we will just get the certificate and we'll be going. But no, we have got after you become an alumni or Aspire institute, like it's Aspire, after completing the Aspire course, you are like joined into a community of the Aspire alumni, where like thousands, 10,000, 20,000 of people across the world are joined and grouped together in a Discord. You can see. And the most what I can say is the exciting and the most unexpected thing that I got was the ELP Extended Leadership Program. Yes, you can say. It is what it is providing many things. You can see in the YouTube also, but that was the thing that I liked very much. It like pumped my expectation. It pushed my expectations, and I'm very glad and I'm really excited to explore the things. Okay. So now let's move to the next thing. I like recommending you all to join the program and utilize it. There are very good lectures, and the video things that you can learn from it. So now let's move to what was the next thing? Yeah. Actually, I forgot that yes, this was also. I applied for the moderator in the Aspire Leadership Program. So I'm glad to again announce that I was like I gave the interview last Thursday, or I think yes, last Thursday only, and I got I was called for the interview, and today or yesterday, no, today only I got the email that I am selected as a moderator for the cohort 2. So I'm like very happy, and it is like I will apply the leadership skills in the thing. And the next thing that I wanted to say is this Google Ambassador program. Actually, I saw this program uh, like yeah, I saw the program in the, like that's in the Chrome or in the web, and then I applied to it, and then email came that yes, your application was good and you are selected. So just they asked for interview, not an interview, but it was like a video to record yourself. They said to mention in the video like and the video should be like 30 seconds, and the video should have like pitch yourself in 30 seconds. No, sorry. The video should be around like less than 3 minutes and pitch yourself for 30 seconds, like you're pitching in front of someone and not pitch yourself, like introduce yourself. I'm sorry. And then I'm not in a sequence. I'm just telling that what I can remember. And then the next thing was like pick a object near you, like a copy, a charger, or anything, and pitch about it. Like imagine it was a Google product and how you pitch the product. So that one. And the third was that if you were like given to promote Gemini for say like in a timeline of 7 days with no cost, then how you would do the thing, like give the idea. And yeah, one more thing, but I can't remember. So this was all the thing that they had asked. And so, yeah, I actually at first I wasn't feeling to like record, but I just pushed myself. Yes. So, yes, actually, I was like, just, I don't know if I will be selected or not. I just went out and just recorded and uh, just submitted the video. Actually, my phone camera is also broken. So I recorded with laptop. It was like you can record it with phone also. But yeah, I recorded with laptop and just submitted. So these were the updates that I wanted to have with you. And in the sports, you can say not a handstand. This thing. In the sports, you can say I didn't think I did this. Yeah, I didn't try handstand. I just can say I did normal push-ups, pull-ups, and like normal. I'm not going to lie and all those things. So I just did like a small push-ups, pull-ups, some dips. I did some tips, yeah, and all those. And for football, you can say I had a match, and in the match, I was like I was slippery, you know. I wasn't wearing the boots. I was wearing I wasn't wearing the football shoes, the boots. I was wearing sneakers. So, and I was playing in the early morning. You can see it was a friendly match, and I fall, and I like felt that if I'm playing with my friends and all, so I have to push myself to like do hard skills and just try myself, like upgrade myself, so that even the opponent is like my friend and all, who are not like a pro level, but even if I do things hard, if like see if I do a normal dribbling in the with my friends, then it is like I'm just, I'm not giving 100%. But if I do hard dribbling, like trying new skills and all with my friends, that it will be a good thing. So I learned this, and I'm going to do this actually in the match. Like I'm planning to do this in the morning only. I'm going to like Wednesday morning. So that's why. And for martial arts, I'm exploring. Yeah, today, today was the only day I think for the martial arts. And what I think is, I'm thinking to do like wrestling. I came to know that wrestling is like you can start with wrestling or judo and all those, less than, so that you can become like you can experience. You will have the experience for like big fights like MMA and all. So I'm just exploring to what to start. And even I think that I will be like doing parkour or something. I like stunts and all those. I don't know that these are like extraction distractions, or like the social media effect or all those. But I'm just curious of trying all this. So that's why let's see what will happen, if I will be able to do the things or not. So it is like I am not saying that I will be able to do all these things, but I will try. Okay. I'm not going to like just give you so these are all the things that I wanted to share with you all. And just a little bit, like I'm feeling like I'm a robot, when recording. So I just wanted to say something. I'm just using YouTube to enhance and upgrade myself, develop myself, my speaking, my conversation in English and all. So I noticed in the earlier videos that I I have improved some little bit, like 1%, 2%, I don't know. But one, two videos when I watch in like earlier videos, I see that I see some mistakes, like I'm speaking too much. Yeah, yeah. You can say yeah. Like every time I stop and say yeah. So it is like a natural behavior when you say, so I'm trying to control and push myself and stop and think that what I'm saying and focusing in my words and my flow and all those. So I'm trying to improve myself. Thank you for being and seeing the video. And please, everyone, just let's grow and just like upgrade ourselves. Like we can connect and all. No, just be together and be happy. So thank you for listening. And jazakumullahu khair. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum, and thank you everyone. And if you like to talk, comment. I'm not like expert in YouTube, but I will try to get if someone talks things, like someone connects. So thank you for the time. Let's meet in the next video in the coming like Thursday, yeah, 15th, 16th April. Thank you very much.